Hi, this is Simon at Zone CCTV. Here is a recent installation in Leeds. The customer wanted an advanced CCTV system to future-proof their home security. This system has human tripwire detection software. If a person walks in a specific area, it will trigger the lights on the cameras and also send a notification to the customer's mobile devices. On this particular property, we even set it to trigger the large floodlights to illuminate the back garden before a person can even reach the property. All of the cameras have an inbuilt speaker, so you can have a two-way audio conversation with somebody at your doorstep. Again, the human detection analytics will send you an alert if somebody is triggered. All the cable was neatly hidden away so it wasn't visible on the outside of the property. The camera has an inbuilt strobe light, so when a person is detected, it can trigger the flashing light, which can be a great deterrent. The CCTV will send the owners notifications to the mobile phones when a person is detected. The human detection software reduces the majority of false alarms. The cameras can also produce a stunning colour picture at night time. This helps with the identification of people and vehicles when playing back the footage. All the camera systems that we install are tailored to the customer's property. If you'd like more information or you'd like to book in a site survey, feel free to call us anytime. We're open 7 days a week.